Hey guys, this is the second time I'm trying to use the microwave kiln. I did put the clay to dry a bit in the oven. It was already drying for 4 days, so it should be okay. But as it exploded in the first try, just put them in the oven for a while and let's try again to use the microwave kiln. The kiln is already here with one piece inside. And what I will do this time, I will go easier. I will put half of the, well, I cannot reach 1000, so I'll start with 450. And let's start, let's start with 3 minutes again. Guys, almost 3 minutes and no explosion yet. It's a good sign. 3 minutes completed. So together with the kiln, they sent like a fiber to put under the piece. This fiber is now black, so I'm not really sure that this is correct. Let me show you. This is after 8 minutes. You can see that the fiber that was white is completely black. The piece is already darker. Well, let's keep going. Can you see there? It's red. It worked. Look. Ah! My gosh, it worked!